If you just signed up for Go High Level or you're thinking about it, this video is for you because the biggest mistake people make in their first 24 hours is trying to do everything. They log in, they see a lot of options, and their brain goes, nope. Instead of showing you everything, I'm going to show you exactly what matters first and what you can actually safely ignore. My name is Stacia Liu, and I've helped business owners set this up the wrong way and the right way. And I can tell you this with confidence. What you do in the first day determines whether this tool feels empowering or overwhelming. So let's slow this down and make it simple. Here's the first thing you need to understand. You're not setting up Go High Level. You're setting up one system inside of Go High Level. That's it. Not funnels, not automations, not everything. One system. And the purpose of that system is simple. When someone raises their hand, something happens. That's the entire goal of day one. Now, here's the first objection I want to kill early here. I don't know my niche yet. I don't know my offer yet. I don't know what to do. I don't want to do it wrong. Good news. You don't need perfection to get started. You just need a placeholder. Think of this like setting up a mailbox. You don't redesign your house first. You just make sure the mail has somewhere to go. So step one, in your first 24 hours, step one in your first 24 hours is this. Decide what a lead is for you. That could be someone filling out a form, someone booking a call, someone texting you. Pick one, not all three. One. Now, here's where people get stuck. They think this decision is permanent. It's not. It's temporary clarity. Go High Level rewards movement, not perfection. Once you know what a lead is, the next question is, what happens immediately after? And this is where Go High Level starts to earn its keep because most businesses drop the ball right here. Someone fills out a form and then nothing happens. I've talked to so many business owners. I'm like, what happens when they fill that form? They don't even know where it goes. So in your first 24 hours, your job is to create one automatic response, one text, one email, one confirmation. Something that says, hey, we got you. That's it. You don't need 12-step automations. You need one response that fires every time. Now let's talk about what to ignore in the first 24 hours. You can ignore advanced workflows, snapshots, funnels, custom domains, complex pipelines. Those things matter later. Right now, your only job is confidence. You want to know when someone reaches out, my business responds. That alone will change how you feel about this tool. Now let's hit another objection. I don't want to break anything. You won't. Go High Level is not fragile. The only way people break things is by copying complex setups that they don't even understand. I've seen some people buy a bunch of snapshots and templates that they have no idea what these automations do. And that's why I always recommend starting clean and simple. Build one thing, watch it work, then build the next thing. Here's another loop people get stuck in. They think speed comes from building fast. It doesn't. Speed comes from building in the right order. And that's why day one is not about funnels. It's about follow-up. Follow up first, everything else second. Now let's talk about confidence. When business owners see their system responds automatically for the first time, something shifts. They stop wondering if this tool works. They start asking, what else can I automate? That's the right progression. Not overwhelm, momentum. So if you're inside your first 24 hours, here's the checklist in plain language. One definition of a lead, one automatic response, one place to see replies. That's a win. Everything else is a bonus. Now let's address the elephant in the room. What if I don't know how to do this? That's normal. You're not supposed to figure it out alone. That's why I created a full training that walks you through exactly what to do in the order without tech overwhelm. It shows you what to click on first, what to skip, how to avoid common beginner mistakes. The training is included when you start the trial through my link. So here's what I recommend. If you haven't started yet, grab the free trial. If you already started and feel stuck, pause and simplify. Build one response system, then come back for the next step. That's how Go High Level becomes manageable instead of intimidating. In the next video, I'll show you the first automation I build every single time and why that one system makes everything else easier. If you want to get started today, grab the trial and the full training below. This is the cleanest way to go from where do I start to, okay, I get this. Grab the trial and the training, and I'll see you on the next one. Much love and aloha.